struggling to sell digital products, or not even sure how to get started. Most platforms are saturated, and if you're not a pro designer, it can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a hidden method that lets you launch your own digital store with no audience, no email list, and practically no budget? In this video, I'll share with you what online marketplace I've been using for years to run my own print-on-demand shop and make money online. Want to learn how to do this for yourself? Let's get started. All right, let's talk about POD, short for print on demand. In this case, we're talking about printable downloads. Think planners, coloring pages, journals, wall art, anything someone can print at home and use instantly. Think of it like this. You create a unique design, maybe for a card or something to hang on the wall. Next, you upload it to an online marketplace. One time. Then, whenever someone buys it, the marketplace handles everything sale and customer service-wise. Then, they pay you a portion of the sale. Unlike physical products, you don't hold any inventory, you don't pack boxes or ship anything, and the online marketplace does all the hard work from then on. On Creative Fabrica, that means you can sell things like fonts, graphics, craft patterns, embroidery designs, cut files, and so much more. Feel free to check them out. They offer a wide variety of digital products for crafters, designers, you name it, with millions of items currently available. So, Creative Fabrica. If Etsy and Canva had a baby that drank a triple espresso, this would be it. It's a marketplace for digital creators. They offer fonts, graphics, crafts, printables, SVGs, planners, coloring pages, you name it. And the best part? They let creators, like us, upload our own digital products and print-on-demand designs to sell. But here's the good news for creators like us. You can sell a variety of digital download products. It's a great starting point, especially for beginning designers. You don't need a storefront or fancy branding, just great products. Upload once and it can keep selling for months or years. Built-in traffic means people can find your designs without you having a following. Getting started on Creative Fabrica is actually way easier than you'd think. Scroll down to the bottom of any page and click on Open Store. It's free to apply as a seller. Read through the information on this page, and if it sounds like something you want to do, click on Open Your Shop and follow the directions. They'll ask for a few sample files to see your work. Don't stress. These can be basic designs or even freebie mock-ups you whipped up in Canva. It takes them a few days to review your application. Once approved, you'll get your own seller dashboard, and then it's design time. Get ready to start uploading. Have you ever tried selling on Creative Fabrica or are thinking about trying it now? Let me know in the comments. I read everyone. Enter AI, aka my creative digital assistant. I do my research to get basic ideas of products that are selling, and then I use ChatGPT to brainstorm more product ideas. Activity book pages, images, planners, coloring pages, affirmation cards, wall art, even t-shirt slogans. Whatever I'm in the mood to make, then boom. ChatGPT gives me a dozen directions to go. Then it's over to Canva, Photoshop, Tangent templates, even Keynote to start my project. In Canva, I like to use their AI tools like Magic Media, Magic Studio, and Magic Write to bring it all to life. Sometimes I even batch 3 to 4 products in one sitting. Then, once I'm done, it's time to upload them into Creative Fabrica. If you're wondering what actually sells, you'll definitely need to do your research. But I can tell you some of the things that have worked best for me. Start with graphics, coloring pages, digital planners, KDP interiors, t-shirt designs, mock-up templates, and activity pages. Use AI to help you generate images for niche ideas like floral wall art, kawaii cat stickers, or sassy baking clip art. Then plug them into Canva or your favorite design tool and get started creating. I hope you have fun.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.